What's your financial goal?
You want more money? Turn what you know into dough. Start hanging out with the people who have it. You create wealth on your own terms. It is not only your rights, but your duty to build wealth.
You are fiscally fabulous.
It's time to enjoy your legacy.
You're listening to Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Theresa R. Martin, Esquire, a podcast that aims to provide you with the tools, guidance, and encouragement you need to build your wealth, enjoy your wealth, and leave a lasting legacy. Dr. Martin is an accomplished attorney, speaker, business consultant, and real estate strategist, an all-around self-made success who provides highly sought-after expert consulting in the creation, growth, and maintenance of generational wealth.
Hello, Fabulous. This is Dr. Theresa Martin of Generational Wealth Zone, and welcome to Fiscally Fabulous. Thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Release the Inner Entrepreneur in You series. Today, I want to talk to you about managing risk like an entrepreneur. First, you want to start by making a list of possible risks. Business does not always go according to plan. There's definitely going to be some obstacles and some difficulties along the way. But with careful planning, deliberation, and observation, you can come up with a list of possible risks. Try to think of possible problems that your business might face. What difficulties do you think will arise? With this kind of anticipation, you will be better equipped to face such problems should they arise. Observing risks faced by your competitors can also prove to be very informative. You should observe other businesses that offer similar products and services. Normally, these would be your competitors. You want to look at their history. What problems did they face? What risks did they have to deal with? What risks are they currently having difficulty with? And how did they solve the problems that they experienced? These will help you get an idea on how to deal with the risks that you'll be facing. Let the experience of others be your guide. If necessary, you might want to think about hiring a professional to analyze risk for you. Risk analysis is a specialized subject. There are professionals trained to do this type of work. Typically, people with a degree in business and or marketing have some training in this area. But of course, it's not necessary for you to hire someone to do this for you. Maybe the manager or one of your hired team members can handle this for you. If your business has not yet opened, make sure you include knowledge on risk as one of the requirements when hiring a manager for your business. You also want to make a game plan. You want to have a solution in advance. Once you have identified the possible risk, it's now time to formulate theoretical solutions. What will you do if any of those risks actually happened? Well, you should already have a game plan set in place. You want to be prepared for any possible risk that might come your way. And finally, take steps to prevent anticipated risk. You may already have a game plan on what to do if risk comes your way, but there's a better solution: prevention. You should take real time and actual steps that will prevent risk from ever arising. As they say, prevention is better than cure. Social media is a good example. If you anticipated that negative comments on your Facebook account will affect your business, then you should remove negative comments as soon as they are posted. A sound risk management process includes 5 steps. You want to identify, analyze, evaluate, treat, and monitor the risk. Implement, and your projects will run more smoothly and be a positive experience for everyone involved. That's all the time we have for today. Join me on the next episode where we will discuss how to grow your business like an entrepreneur. Until next time, remember, you are fiscally fabulous and you are worth it.
This has been Fiscally Fabulous with Dr. Theresa R. Martin, Esquire. If you would like to learn more on how you can build generational wealth and leave a lasting legacy, go to www.enjoyyourlegacy.com and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for listening. Until next time.